The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
People are feeling flush in their accounts, and I think the best argument here is that we're spending more than our income coming in because we're doing well in the market and other places.
Wow. Steve Eisman. We're spending more than our income. This was the same thing he said in 2006, right before the crash of 2008. Exactly the same. I'm telling you, 2006, if we go back and look at 2006 and now look where we are now, I mean 2006 leading up to 2008 crash, and we look where we are now, it's identical. Even this dope, Steve Eisman, the economist for CNBC, I'll never forget that day. I had to go back and play it again. Because in 2006, he comes out and says, "Isn't this wonderful? People are spending much more than their income." That goes to show you how resilient they are. And today, I hear him again.
People are feeling flush in their accounts, and I think the best argument...
Who's feeling flush in their accounts? Who? The 400 richest people in the United States? Who have more wealth than the bottom 150 million people put together? I guess so. Here, let's listen to him again. Who's flush?
People are feeling flush in their accounts, and I think the best argument here is that we're spending more than our income coming in because we're doing well in the market and other places.
I thought, if you're doing well in the market, isn't that income too? Don't you get taxed as income? What? This guy is just a dope. This is what you get when you listen to these jibber jabbers. But let's think about it. By the late 1990s, you know the rich were living 4.5 years longer than the poor? Isn't that crazy? Think about this. Bezos, Buffett, Gates, they have more money than 60% of the combined population. You talk about income inequality. Income inequality in this country is killing us. Income inequality is why Trump can't get to 3% to 4% plus other factors. Income inequality is destroying this country. We've never had income inequality like this. Income inequality started because of quantitative easing, QE. When they dropped interest rates down to near zero, and they took this money, this almost free money, and they gave it to the rich. Just the rich. And they said, go buy stocks. We'll give you free money. Go buy stocks. Then they gave them free money to CEOs to buy their own stocks back. So their stock price would just scream up, and they'd get so much wealth out of it. But what did the worker get at the company? When these companies like Apple and the rest of them are spending billions of dollars on stock buybacks, what benefit is it for the worker? None. What benefit is it for the company? None. The benefit goes directly to the CEO and to the shareholders, and that's it. It does nothing for the economy. It does nothing for the country. In fact, I get so sick about these tax cuts. We keep hearing how great we're going to do because corporations have these great tax cuts. What have these great corporations done for us? That makes me sick. The corporations, we got to give them these big tax cuts like they're special. Are you kidding? What have they done for us? Matter of fact, most American corporations, especially the multinational corporations, they're not even American. Yes, legally they are, because they're headquartered and legally incorporated in the United States, but most of them aren't even American, especially the multinational companies that's pushing the stock market up. This is crazy. These companies, these large corporations who Trump depended on, that would stop doing stock buybacks so he could get to a 3 to 4% GDP, They never did that for him. There's no allegiance to Trump. There's no allegiance to America. These large corporations have no allegiance. They only have allegiance to themselves, the big bondholder or the board members, the big shareholders. There's no allegiance to America or the American worker. Yet we give them these big tax cuts. Now Trump's going to find out he couldn't get to his 3% GDP because these corporations are still doing stock buybacks. They are not taking their money. They're not plowing it back into their companies in way of capital investment, in way of new machinery to increase productivity, which increases your lifestyle, your standard of living. They're not doing that. Why would they do that? I've said that over and over and over again. Why would a company buy a machine to increase productivity if there's not demand there? And there is no demand. If a company makes shirts and they sold the same amount of shirts last year as they did this year, why would they, just because of a tax cut, why would they take that money and go out and buy a new machinery, a new shirt making machine for $1 million? Why would they do that? Oh, I see. So to increase productivity, so their people can make more wages, when these are the same companies who are getting rid of your jobs, who are exporting your jobs. I get so sick of hearing how these great companies, they like right now, we got this situation going with the multinational companies who are exporting everything, and it's the only reason why our stock market is up, because a handful of companies are making all the money. Where's that money go? Where's that money go? Did you see any of that $6 trillion last year, 2017? No. You didn't see it. Wages, I love how they talk about wage increases. 2.5% a year. What a lie. What a lie. The real inflation is 10%. Do you really think inflation is like 2.6%, 2.7%? Are you nuts? Inflation, go to the super, it's 10%. So they say, oh, we get wage increases this year, 2.5%. Boy, things are good. 2.5% against real inflation of 10%? What are you, nuts? Go to the movie theater, buy some popcorn, or get a ticket, see what it costs you. Got to mortgage your house to go to a movie. The median wage earner in America took home 9% less than in 1999 when you adjusted for inflation. You're not making as much money now as you did in 1999. But we don't hear any of this. All we hear is about how the economy is doing terrific. How the economy is doing fantastic. I mean, it's amazing. So, first of all, we're never going to hit Trump's 3% to 4% economic GDP growth when you got guys like Mnuchin who is surrounding him with other Wall Street guys surrounding him and who favor, and who, by the way, they can't even communicate right. How are you going to get to 3 to 4% when the president and the head of his economic team, they're saying the opposite things? They're saying the opposite things. One's favoring the weak dollar, the other one says, no, it's not. Then he starts walking back what he said. Mnuchin's now trying to walk back where he said, oh, the dollar's good for us. How can a weak dollar ever be good for you? You know what we got going right now? We got a big hallucination going on. Everybody thinks this market and this stock market and the economy are one. And everybody thinks there is nothing that can take this economy down or the stock market down. And let's hope this hallucination continues so here at Phil's Gang we can continue to make money. Because one thing we're going to know is when this market is ready to correct, we're going to be the first ones to know. We're going to be the first ones to know. And we'll have our gang members out. They will be out, especially the gang members who follow my video stocks. That's right. Ask any of my gang members already. When gold started to pull back, I had them out before it even pulled back last week. I had them out. Ask them. Ask them. Look, for years, these large corporations have been cutting wages, cutting our jobs. That's not the answer to a 3% GDP by cutting taxes for them. I'll give you the answer when we get back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in, They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's Gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video. Do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
There are a lot of people who said we wouldn't see GDP at 3%.
So now we're at 3% GDP.
Economy that now is growing at 3% clip.
And we now see that rippling through the economy. Stock market's up.
People now expect we're getting to 3% GDP.
Where's the 3% GDP? We didn't get 3% GDP. But they keep going on the shows over the weekend. They're talking about the second and third quarter when they hit 3%. And this administration hit 3%. But now they're talking 3%. They're going to take parking space in their head. They hit 3%. They didn't hit 3%. In fact, for 2017, the GDP is 2.3%. That's only a tiny hair better than Obama's 2.2% for his whole full second term. He's not doing any better. I shouldn't say not any better. Yes, he's doing a little bit better, a tiny bit better, but he hasn't hit that 3%. But they're going to try to convince us we're at 3% when we're not at 3%. That's why I keep telling you. We have what we call an hallucination of prosperity. That's what's going on with the jibber jabbers. They can't stand to tell the truth that the economy from within is falling apart. Because you can't continue to take companies, a handful of companies, keep driving the dollar down so they can go sell their goods overseas. So it drives the value of your dollar down. And so that means, do you know that most of the economic GDP we had for the last quarter all came from imports? That's bad because our prices on imports are going up because our dollar is going down. This morning, do you know our dollar, again, the interest rates, the yields on the 10-year Treasury, which your 10-year Treasury yield determines the interest rate you pay on your home. It hit 2.7%. Why? They had to raise the value. They had to raise the rates again to compensate for such a weak dollar, or our lenders, the Saudis, won't come in and lend us. They won't lend us money. They're getting paid back in dollars, so they say we want more interest. So as this interest keeps going up, it's going to be harder and harder to hit 3%. So we hit 2.3%. Yet they're talking 3%. What are you, nuts? This is nuts. This is crazy. Then he tries to take parking space in our head, this Mnuchin. Not only that the weak dollar is good for America, I don't know where he got that from. I'm not going to go through every day how bad a weak dollar is. Just trust me, it's bad for America. A weak dollar is the worst thing you could have for America. Next, he tries to take parking space in our head that the tax cuts for the American corporations is also good for America. No, they're not. Not doing anything for us. We don't benefit from the tax cuts they're getting. This is crazy. Then we get this.
A goal of 3% GDP or higher economic growth is achievable.
It's not achievable when you guys can't get your act together. When one person says you're for a weak dollar, the other person says for a higher dollar. This is all crazy stuff. So you know what you got to do? You got to forget what they're saying. You got to make money. You got to make money. Now, let's hope that they're going to continue, and I think they will, continue to drive this stock market higher. Trump will make sure this market doesn't go down. He's going to try to do everything he can to make sure this market doesn't go down. And what is that everything? He's going to keep the dollar going down. He's got to. Now, he was so embarrassed in Davos, he was out there trying to sell America, telling these people in Europe, come to America. Come to America so you can make money. And people at Davos at the meeting scratching their heads and said, why would I go to America when your economy is worse than our economy? Our economy is doing great compared to yours. And they got Mnuchin standing up saying, hey, come to America. We got a weak dollar. Isn't that great? This is insane what's going on. So at least Trump's in a position now that he can't go back. He's got his name on this stock market. So all you've got to do is continue to make sure you are in the right stocks as this market continues to go up. All you got to make sure is you're out. Just like in 2006 to 2008, made a bundle of money until the market crashed. They had to do is be out. And they had to be in the right stocks going up. And those who made money got out before the crash. They were in the right stocks and they made a lot of money. And you can do the same thing again. But who's going to tell you what stocks to be in? Who's going to coach you? Nobody. And that's why I offer what I offer, where I give you every day a video stock program where I select stocks and I tell you, I'll give you an example. We have right now GDX. Our GDX gold stock was up 12%. And before it started to pull back, I told my gang, let's take our profits, because the charts are telling me the institutions are pulling money out. And sure enough, what happened? Gold started to pull back. But my gang was out because of my chart. I designed our algorithms. It's patent. It's ours. That I always can identify. After all the years I've been in the market, I know one thing. All people want to know, they're scared to death. They want to be out before the crash. They want to be out before a correction. And guess what? The whole industry is set up to make sure you stay in, not get out, because they get paid as long as you're in. If you get out or you reduce your position, they make less money. The planners, the money managers, all of them make less money if you're out. They have no incentive to get you out in time. Their incentive is to keep you in. And that's why you never made money in 1987 crash. You never got out in time. You never got out in time for the dot-com crash. You didn't get out in time for the housing crash. And you're not going to get out in time for this crash. But if you're with me, you're going to be out in time. So in the meantime, you've got to get back in this market while he keeps running this market. We have, for example, oil. MPC was one of our best oil stocks. And I told my gang, again, I said, let's get into oil. We did. Oil went up 18%, and guess what? 5 days ago, we knew to get out. We knew the market that stock was going to pull back. Now we kept our profits. What's wrong with that? We'll be right back. A lot more.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in, they're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
The dollar is going to get stronger and stronger.
Having a weaker dollar is somewhat better for us. Having
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Welcome back to Phil's Gang. It's unbelievable. Then we have these dopes telling you this. Larry Kudlow.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
They get on TV and they tell you what they think you want to hear. They will never tell you the truth because they got advertisers. I always tell you that. But think, this market has been running since election night, 2016, on the promise that we are going to have infrastructure. That was spending. Remember how the economy grows. The economy grows, you get wages, your lifestyle becomes better when people spend and they save. Do you know there's no saving? The savings is the worst ever. People are not saving. Not only are they not saving, they've gone through all their money. They're going to using their credit cards now. But yet they keep telling us, boy, we're going to grow to 4 to 5%. No, you're not. So what they're going to do is convince you that the economy is growing by growing the stock market, just like they're doing now. Very clever. They go and they get what? The multinational companies, and they make sure the dollar's so weak, keep pushing it down, that All the countries around the world are buying from Caterpillar, buying from United Technology, engines, everything else. And those stocks are going through the roof. It's pushing our stock market up. They're always going to find a way to push this market up. Markets go up far more than they go down. And Trump owns this market. And he's stuck with it now. He owns it. There's no way we're going to hit 3% GDP, but we can hit a 50,000 on the stock market if he just keeps on rigging it. And you just got to go with it, and you got to know, hey, someday this market's going to crash. Someday. Give you an example again. MPC, our Marathon Oil. In the last 4 days, we got a signal after Marathon Oil went up 26%. 26%. Marathon Oil. MRO is the symbol. I'll put it up for you. MRO. This is one of the stocks that I got my gang in. So Marathon is up 26%. But in the last 3 days, we got a signal. Institutions are pulling their money out. So any of my gang members, or what we call it the R1 area on our chart, you tell them to start taking their profits. Now, has anybody else told you to take profits? No. I have said I think we'll get a correction the second week of February. Why? Because I think the gig is up now. Not that the market's going to crash, but there's going to be a correction because people are starting to think, what's going on here? Do they want a strong dollar? Do they want a weak dollar? What do they want? The gig's up. They got caught lying. They got caught lying. And you can't keep on importing goods. We keep importing goods. They're getting more and more expensive, but our wages aren't going up. So if our wages aren't going up and the pieces of paper in your pocket are going down, think about that. You go buy a shirt, you need more pieces of paper in your wallet to go buy that shirt, and the prices are up. The prices are up, but you're not making more. So how can they say the economy's doing well? They'll just keep lying to us. But so what? We got to make money. What are you going to do? I love when they say, well, go save money. You got to save money. Use the multiplier effect of 6 months. Yeah, use the multiplier. Ever hear about this stupid multiplier effect of 6 months? You're supposed to figure out, let's say you got $2,000 per month of expenses. You should have at least $12,000 in savings. In other words, you multiply 2,000 by 6. You got $12,000 in savings. People can't even, are you kidding? You think people are going to be able to save? People can't save. Why do you think they're using their credit cards? They're not saving. They're using their credit cards, for heaven's sakes, because they're not making enough income. When they pay all their taxes, all their expense, they're not making enough. Now, for the people who have been doing well, but you're still looking and say, I'm still not going to have enough to retire. Even people on Social Security, they take taxes out of your Social Security. They hit you again. You ever hear anything so ridiculous in your life? They take taxes out of your pay. The Social Security, they take it from you. So you have less money every year. Then when you finally retire, they take it again. They take it again because they're spending too much money. So you got to come up with a way to catch up. You got to come up with a way to catch up because you're far behind. I guarantee you, if you're listening to me right now and you go and look at how old you are, do you feel that you're behind? That you got to catch up so that when you retire, that you're going to be okay? 90% are going to say, I'm not okay. What am I going to do? Well, I have an alternative. I'm not saying I'm going to make you rich, but at least I can tell you, okay, let's buy MRO, get into it, because I see the institutions getting into MRO, Marathon Oil, and then then after it's MRO is going up 26%. And I'm not saying every gang member made 26%. Some made 10, some made 20. I imagine a few made 26. But let's just use an average of 10%. As long as they got out before Marathon Oil goes back down. That's the key right there. And so I got them out, just like I did with my gold, GDX and Nugget. I got them out before it pulled back. And like Nugget, like right now, GDX is pulling back. But they're out. They feel good. They know, thank God I got out. And then I'll tell them when to get back in. You got a coach 24 hours a day. You just follow the stock that I give you. I give you a few stocks. You select the one you want. I do a video every night, and I do a video during the day. I update it, and you do exactly what the instructions are. It's the way it works, and it works. At the end of the month, if it doesn't work, then forget it. But that's the only way you're going to catch up. You're not going to be able to save. Even if you could save, okay, even they always recommend you take 20% of your net income, okay, and you save it. What are you going to make on a savings, on a CD? What are you going to make? Even if you had $500 and you saved it at 3% for 5 years, you only increase your $500 to $579. You go from $500 to $579 if you get 3% in your savings. Where are you going to get 3%? Even on a CD, you're not going to get 3%. What are you going to do? I'm not trying to scare you, but dog food and cat food, I can assure you, don't taste too good on Wednesday night. Wednesday night's supposed to be spaghetti night, not dog food night. So, look, and you're going to listen to your planners? You're going to fail if you don't have a plan. If you don't have a plan, how many times do you hear that? If you don't have a plan, you're going to fail. I love the one on Saturdays when I drive around. If you don't have a plan, you're going to plan to fail. If you don't have a plan, you're going to plan to fail. Why, they keep you in the market and never get you out in time. Or I love the ones say, do you know, I got a program, you'll never lose your principal. Whatever you put in the market, you will never lose that principal. Boy, what a deal that is. Someone's assured you put money in the market, you never lose your principal. What they don't tell you is you never make any money. How can anybody guarantee you that you're going to put money in the market and you'll never guarantee you never lose the principal? Putting money in the market, putting money in anything, getting up in the morning is a risk. If somebody tells you going to give you a risk-free idea, turn away and run. So we got a good stock tonight. We got a very good stock tonight. It's called the VIX Index. That's right, VXX. We've been starting to follow that. The VIX Index has been destroyed. We started to buy it the other day. We started to buy it, and now it's up nicely. But it's not up. It's not up enough where it's too late. The VIX Index is a fear meter. It's starting to go up. I told my gang last week, you know what, let me do a video on the VIX. Just follow me on my VIX. I think the VIX is going to go up. I think fear is going to come in, and I'll guide you on it. So that's one. Another one is is XLU. That's an ETF for all the utilities. I think the utilities, they're going to stop raising rates. And then those utilities are going to take off. But I'll put them on a video. I'll get you out in time, and you'll feel comfortable while you're in them. Join my gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. The stock market has gone up over 270% since 2008. With Trump in the White House, it's even going to go up more because he's going to push it up more. Take advantage. Join the MV2 video stock system. I choose the stock, put it on the video, give you instructions. It works perfectly.
Don't wait. Make it a prosperous new year with Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Let's kick off 2018 right and make profits in the stock market. Now, here's Phil.
Done a lot over the last year. I appreciate all of the congratulations, but on an economic front, on a financial front, it's been incredible what's happened. It's like a whole different place. It's booming, and it's going to continue because we have a long way to go.
It's booming. What is booming? I love the guy. I'll vote for him again. He does great stuff. I love his superlatives. It's booming. It's fantastic. Well, what measures the boom? What measures it? We have a system. We have a way to measure if it's booming or it sucks. And the boom is called GDP. He didn't come in at 3 to 4% as Mnuchin promised his president he would, by making sure he killed the dollar, and he made sure that the multinational companies sell all their goods to Spain and Italy and China and everybody else. Blew up on him. So 2.3%. Obama was 2.2%. Trump came in at 2.3%. Does that sound like a boom to you? Who's hallucinating around here? Now, listen to this guy. This is unbelievable. Charles Payne. Listen to this.
We had a report out this morning on consumer spending. It is absolutely through the roof. People are spending money. There's an excitement in this country we haven't seen in a long time.
Oh, they're spending money, excitement in this country. But wait a minute. We have household debt that's a historic high at $13 trillion. We got credit cards. They're over $1 trillion in credit cards. We've never seen the defaults that we're seeing in credit cards as we have now. We have never seen the amount of defaults in automobile payments as we're seeing now. But what did he say about consumers?
We had a report out this morning on consumer spending. It is absolutely through the roof.
Sure, they're using their credit cards. The banks, those criminals, will send them even more credit cards. How much? And then at the same time, it comes out savings is at the lowest in history. People aren't saving. They get another credit card. And Payne comes out and says, look at this. They are just fantastic. The spending. The consumers are so excited. Stop it. What a bunch of crap. Stop it.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.
This is nuts. But you know, let them keep doing this. Let them keep pushing the market. Let them keep artificially pushing the stock market, the dollar down as much as they can. Destroy your dollar in your wallet. So now it's only you go in the store instead of having a dollar worth to buy a dollar's worth. Your dollar's now only worth 10 cents. But the stock market's up, another new high. And this is what gets me. Why doesn't Payne tell the truth? That 10% of the population. We had the big stock market move in 2017. The big move. A 30% move. Almost unheard of. 30% move. So fast nobody can believe it. Well, who got the money? That was a $6 trillion value. The stock market went up $6 trillion in value. Who got the money, Payne? 10% of the population who control 83% of that $6 trillion. They get 83% of that $6 trillion in their pocket. What about the truck driver? He's got nothing. The air conditioner guy, he got nothing. No. How about the mason? He got nothing. Carpenter, he got nothing. These guys got nothing. The electrician got nothing. So 10% of the population grabbed 83% of $6 trillion. So 90% of the population got squat. Are you kidding? They just lie. Or look at it this way. 18.7% of taxpayers own most of all the stock. It's just crazy. So what do you do? All I can offer to you is say to you, why don't you follow me in one stock? Here, I'll give you the number. Try it. See if it works. 877-600-GANG. Just follow me in one stock. Remember I told you with PISA? I said follow me with PISA, and you didn't. Remember I told you to follow me in GDX? You didn't. I told you to follow me in MRO? You didn't. So now, why don't you follow me in two new stocks I'm going to put up tonight. XLU, coming right off the bottom, and the other one is the VIX index. Okay? Those are two brand new ones. I'm going to do videos on that. I'll tell you when to get in. I'll tell you when to add to your position, and I'll tell you to run like hell. Now, that's a pretty good deal. That's a pretty good deal. And you can sleep at night. I'll get you out. It doesn't matter. Look, take Valero. We're up 30% in Valero. It doesn't matter if one gang member's up 10, didn't get the whole 30. Maybe another gang member's up 5. Maybe one's up 15. That's not important. As long as they're always making some money and it's consistent. See, it's all about consistency. You're consistently making money. The important thing is someone is there to coach them, to get them out. Because these guys, like Payne and the rest of them, what do? They keep you in. They keep you in.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. You don't pay attention to your portfolio every day.
And these guys have no fiduciary relationship. Do you think when Payne gets on the air, or Varney, or any of these guys, do they have a fiduciary relationship? Do they make you sign something before you watch TV? Do you get this thing through your computer that before watching Payne you sign something? He's got a fiduciary relationship with you? No. He's working for who? The advertisers. He's working for for Fox. They got to get advertising revenue in. You think they're going to get advertising revenue in hiring somebody like me who's telling the truth? Their advertising revenue would go from $20 million a second down to nothing. That's what would happen.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
Oh, but he don't tell you that. Payne don't tell you that. So you're going to learn a hard lesson all over again. You're going to sit there, and for those who are already up and making money, guarantee you'll never get out. Never get out in time. So join my gang. I'll help you. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Look, this is unbelievable what's going on. I told you, this is a hallucination. Over the summer, Mnuchin was bragging how for 2017, they were on track for an annualized GDP for 2017 at 3 to 4%. I said at that time, during the summer, he's a liar. What is he, nuts? You can't do it with a weak dollar. It's impossible. It's impossible. But he kept on lying. Then after the administration hit 3% GDP in a second, and then hit 3% in a third, oh, wow. Then he came out on December 14th. I wrote it down. September 14th, I'm going to prove this guy's a phony Mnuchin. So he writes it December 14, 2017. He comes on and tells everybody, oh, this confirms we got 3% now for 2 quarters in a row, second, third quarter. That means we're going to have 4% GDP, worst case 3% annualized for 2017. I'm predicting that. He lied. It came out at just a tiny, tiny bit over Obama's. Trump came at 2.3, Obama came at 2.2. Exports. Are you kidding me? This administration is hitting this, trying to hit 3% by exporting all of our goods overseas. And now we got to pay a lot more money to bring the stuff in. So we got to pay for more. We got to pay for all the goods that are coming in with weaker dollars. This is crazy. The weak dollar policy is for the purpose for causing a rally in the stock market. So get into the market. Don't let them use you. The weak dollar policies for the purpose of causing a stock market rally by causing these multinationals to export their goods overseas. And these stocks are going through the roof. The biggest contribution to our economic growth of 2.3%, you know what that was? Imports that we can't afford because people aren't making enough money. Their dollar is weak. Isn't that ironic? The biggest contributor to our growth was what we purchased from other countries that we can't afford. Then they said, capital investment. Boy, that's going to do it. They said to the president, don't worry. We're going to get a weak dollar, Mnuchin told the president. Let's get this dollar so weak, we'll keep exporting everything, and we'll make it up. I'll tell you how we'll make it up. Capital investment. We'll give the corporation large tax cuts, and what they're going to do is invest money in machinery and everything else, and that way all the workers, their wages are going to go up. They're going to go spend like crazy. Then we'll get more spending through infrastructure. We'll reduce the deficit through getting rid of Obamacare, and we're going to. And so all those things we're going to do. Don't you even worry about a weak dollar. But none of them came through. None of them came through. Not one of them. And the consequences have been severe. But listen to Payne, there's no consequences. Join my gang right now. Here's the number. 877-600-GANG. Follow me tonight on the 2 new stocks, and I'll tell you when to get out.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams.
Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com.